It's news now, and I am Perpetua Fasami Peter. President Muhammad Buhari will soon take a decision on the controversial University Transparency and Accountability Solution (UTAS) and the condition of service for varsity teachers. Labour and Employment Minister Chris Ngige gave the indication in a statement issued by his ministry spokesman Olajide Oshundun. According to the statement, the interministerial departments and agencies committees of the federal government will turn in their reports on Wednesday. The reports of the committees could bring an end to the 4-month-old strike embarked on by the Academic Staff Union of Universities, ASU. The striking lecturers are at war over which payment platform to be adopted in public universities between the government-approved Integrated Personnel and Payroll Information System (IPIS) and ASU-preferred UTAS. Governor of Imo State, Senator Hope Uzodinma, has granted a 10-day amnesty to bandits operating and hibernating in the forest in Imo State to leave the place immediately and surrender themselves and their arms to their traditional rulers for unconditional pardon or face the consequences. Governor Uzodinma, who spoke at the Government House Chapel, Owerri, while addressing the congregation after Sunday service, said that the government has decided to rid the forest in Imo State of bandits and accordingly has procured the necessary equipment for the purpose. Hence, the need for those of them who want to be reintegrated into the society to take advantage of the amnesty and quit now and hand over their arms. He emphasized that a period of grace would not be extended, as those who fail to take advantage of it will have themselves to blame. The Nigerian Immigration Service (NIS) has clarified it followed due process in issuing a Nigerian passport to David Nwamini, who was allegedly trafficked to the United Kingdom for organ harvesting by former Deputy Senate President Ike Ekweremadu. Nwamini had allegedly claimed to be a minor after he arrived in the UK, where he was to donate his kidney to Ekwuremadu's daughter. However, photos of his Nigerian passport as circulated on social media showed his date of birth to be October 12, 2000, placing him at 21 years old. Addressing the controversy surrounding his age, the Controller General of the NIS, Mr. Idris Jere, at a press conference on Sunday, said Nwamini is indeed 21 according to his record in the possession of the NIS, discarding claims that the service didn't thoroughly vet the documents provided by the applicants. Jere said, and I quote, "The facts of the matter concerning the case above, therefore, are that David Nwamini applied and paid for the e-passport using the NIS portal, after which he approached the passport office in Gwagwalada FCT Abuja on November 2, 2021 for his interview." Justice Tanko Mohammed has resigned from his position as the Chief Justice of Nigeria, CJN. Mohammed resigned in a letter to President Muhammad Buhari. Buhari swore in Mohammed as the acting CJN in January 2019, following the suspension and later sack of former CJN Walter Ononge. CJN Special Assistant on Media Isa Ahoroka confirmed his resignation to the News Agency of Nigeria. Mohammed's resignation comes amid the corruption allegations leveled against him by some Supreme Court judges. 14 Supreme Court judges in a protest memo accused Mohammed of not giving justices their legitimate entitlements. The justices alleged their annual foreign training meant to enhance capacity building for the country's judicial process had been blocked by Mohammed. Meanwhile, the National Judicial Council (NJC) is set to recommend Justice Kayode Ariwoola to President Muhammad Buhari as the acting Chief Justice of Nigeria (CJN) following the resignation of the incumbent, Justice Tanko Mohammed. NJC is a creation of Section 153 of the 1999 Constitution as amended, with powers to hire and fire erring judicial officers in the country. Justice Ariwoola is the most senior justice of the Supreme Court after the incumbent, Justice Tanko, who just resigned his office. Justice Tanko is the second Chief Justice of Nigeria to have resigned his appointment in the last 4 years. Justice Tanko took over from Justice Walter Samuel Nkanu Onore, who also bowed out of the bench before he clocked the mandatory retirement age of 70 years under controversial circumstances. The former Minister of Communication, Barrister Adebayo Shitu, has restated his unwavering determination to champion the presidential campaign of the candidate of the All Progressives Congress, Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu, to every nook and cranny across the nation. The legal practitioner gave this assurance in Ibadan during the course of a media parley.
Our gratitude goes to President Muhammad Buhari for his maturity selflessness, and patriotism in supporting the earlier resolution of the Northern APC Governors Forum. But now that our leader has become the party's bona fide presidential candidate, it is considered best that we put all resources together to make the exercise impactful and successful. Please, let no one make any mistake about it. We as an organization are ready to take the Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu's presidential campaign to every nook and cranny of this nation. We shall get to all the 36 states and the Federal Capital Territory. We shall be in all the 774 local government areas of this country. And we shall visit each of the 8,813 wards in the country. And I said, look, you cannot compare Atiku to Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Atiku was never head of any government in this country. Bola Ahmed Tinubu was head of a government for 8 solid years, and we have references of what he was able to do in the area of security, in the area of road construction, in the area of general economic transformation. So we have a compendium, an encyclopedia of real impactful governance in Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu.
Edo State Police Command has confirmed the death of a Catholic priest, Reverend Father Christopher Odia, in the state. Deputy Public Relations Officer of the command, Jennifer Iwebu, confirmed the priest was kidnapped and killed by gunmen suspected to be kidnappers. Following increase in the activities of bandits in various parts of Zamfara State, government has directed individuals to obtain guns. This was contained in a statement issued by the Commissioner for Information, Ibrahim Dosara, and made available to newsmen on Sunday. The statement noted that this decision was taken by the state government in view of its commitment to ensure adequate security and protection of lives and property of the citizenry in the state, particularly during the rainy season. To this end, government has resolved to take further measures to deal with the recent escalating attacks, kidnapping, and the criminal levies being enforced on innocent communities. Government has henceforth directed individuals to prepare and obtain guns to defend themselves against the bandits, as government has directed the State Commissioner of Police to issue license to all those who qualify and are wishing to obtain such guns to defend themselves. And now from the African scene, 4 people in South Africa's East London town remain in critical condition after attending a party that turned tragic. The Eastern Cape Premier's office said that the 4 remain under observation in hospital and authorities are waiting to question them. The East Cape Premier spokesperson, Kuselwa Wanje, said 5 bodies are still unidentified after Sunday morning's incident, which left 22 young people dead. Investigations continue into the cause of the death of the minors, the youngest of whom was only 13. Ranji says the owner of the tavern has not been arrested, but the province's liquor board will shut down the pub Monday to allow for investigations to be completed. Sudan's military has accused the Ethiopian army of executing 7 Sudanese soldiers and a civilian who were captives. In a statement on Sunday, the Sudanese military also accused the Ethiopian army of displaying the bodies of those executed to the public and promised that there would be an appropriate response. Tensions between Sudan and Ethiopia have run high in recent years because of a spillover of the conflict in Ethiopia's northern Tigray region and Ethiopia's construction of a giant hydropower dam on the Blue Nile. Tens of thousands of refugees have fled into eastern Sudan, and there have been military skirmishes in an area of contested farmland along the border between Sudan and Ethiopia. And now from international scene, U.S. President Joe Biden has signed into law the first major federal gun reform in 3 decades, days after a decision he condemned by the Supreme Court expanding firearm owners' rights. After signing the bill with his wife Jill by his side, Biden said it's going to save a lot of lives. The bipartisan bill came together just weeks after mass shootings in Uvalde and Buffalo that killed more than 30 people, including 19 children at an elementary school. The law includes provisions to help states keep guns out of the hands of those deemed to be a danger to themselves or to other people.